In this video, we will show you how to make bootable USB Windows 10. Although Windows 11 has been rolled out, there are many people still comfort using Windows 10. And there are many people also still asking how to make bootable USB for Windows 10. In this video, before you created the USB bootable for Windows 10, make sure you already back up your flash drive, okay, or your USB, because the old file will format, and if there is important files, it will gone. So you must back up your important files. In here, you need also minimum is recommended 8 GB of your USB capacity. You can see there I have 16 GB, but real is 14 GB in here. Okay, after I prepare your USB, in here I also prepare my ISO files. You can get the ISO files link on the pinned comments for Windows 10 if you want. Okay, also, and this Windows 10 is stable version, so you don't be worried to using this file. In here I'm using Rufus. Okay, you can just open rufus.ia. You can see there. Then you can download by scroll down. You can using portable or installer. I prefer using portable in here. Okay, after you download the files, just clicking your file. Okay, and do you want to allow Rufus to check application update online? I click no, and in here the Rufus application automatically detect my USB drive. So if you have more than one, maybe you need to select from this device. And in here, you need to select your ISO files. In here, my ISO file is located on the master, and then Windows, and in here, Windows 10 ISO. After your ISO file is loaded successfully in here, okay, you need to select image option. In here, I'm using standard Windows installation, and the partition scheme, this is the most important. More the newer hardware is using GPT partition scheme, and the older devices may be using MBR or master boot record. Okay, and in here by default is UEFI for the newest device. After that, you can ignore file system and cluster size in here and just click start. In here, we can ignore all of this, but if you want disable like previous questions, you can just tick this. But I don't want, I let it by default and click OK. And this is the warning by Rufus. All data on our USB will be destroyed or will be deleted. So if you have important files, you need to back up now. After you click OK, your all files will be deleted. So in here, I'm click OK because I don't have any important files. You can see there. Now, the Rufus application start to writing the USB files, and you need to wait until this is ready on the status here. Until 100%, it will be ready notice in here. And when the process is done, it will be look like this with status ready. Okay, you can try to open your USB in here. For example, I'm click my USB, and you can see there is content about file that you can use to boot your devices and using this USB to install the Windows 10. And that's all. Hope this video helpful for you.